Hello and welcome back to our online Wudang Academy. So now let's continue with the second episode of the Taijiquan form. Last time we started the opening sequence. So after the opening sequence, we come out around here and we slowly breathe out. Now when the breathing is finished, the hands turn in a circular motion from inside to outside. And at the same time you do this movement. So here, 1. And now the direction of the shoulder goes up. And with the knees, we slowly go lower at the same time. Both movements start and finish at the same time. So from here on, 1, 2. And stop when the hands are around the shoulder high. Do not go over the shoulder. How low you want to be is very depending on how much you want to do. Make sure, if you don't want to go as low, that you still finish the movement with the hands at the same time. So now let's do this slowly. We breathe out, then breathe in, and we slowly go up. And then we stop here. Then we breathe out, the knees don't move, and the upper body turn 45. Alright? The shoulders only go this way. Do not go sideways. So let's do it one more time. From here, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, open, and turn to the other side and go subbu at the same time. Okay? This is called subbu because the gravity center is fully on the other leg. The right leg here is floating but slightly touching the ground. From here on, let's repeat the section, but I want to show you this movement from the side one more time. Be careful during this section that you watch out your hip. The hip should be always inside. Do not put the hip outside. So from here, so. And here we finish subbu. Alright? What is important, the subbu posture means that the hip looks over here. So it is the same direction as the knee and the hands. From the subbu posture, we slowly step on the heel, open the other hand, open left hand slowly. 1, turn on the heel 90 degrees to the front. And now open the hip and turn 90 degrees by opening the hip. And this time you go 𝐤𝐬𝐬. This is no subbu because it's a 𝐤𝐬𝐬. The hip looks here. The hip is not over there. And then we finish at this posture. So let's do this again and see how is the breathing. So we come here, breathe out, and breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Push slightly outside. And here we start to breathe in for the following section. Let's do the same movement again, but from the side. I will show you from here so you can see clearly what is happening. So, make sure the knees don't move. Subbu, one line, knees and hands one line. Step heel, turn, slightly push outside. You're holding arm here. Go, and in circular motion, turn the hip slightly inside and finish with the hands same time in the subbu posture. Okay, so this is it for today's episode. Thank you for watching and see you soon for more. Goodbye.